I'm doing right now a test run. I changed my bicycle quite a lot. I had a problem that the steering bar was too low for me, and I made it a little bit more comfortable position. But for this I had to change a few things. First of all, I had some problem with the rear wheel. I lost some spokes and I just changed it. But for this I also had to take down the cogwheels. Yeah, it's not a big work, but it's something. But originally I wanted to rise a little bit my handlebar. The original was a straight tube, and it has some so-called rise. I think it's 30 millimeters, not so much, but something. And I had to change also this part. This is adjustable and I use it for the maximum position. I bought this one to test out that which position is the best. It's quite heavy. The handlebar itself is also quite heavy. The stem is also much heavier than my old one, but at least I have a more comfortable position to ride. To have the handlebar in a higher position, that means it's further away from the frame, so I had to change all the cabling, and it took also a little time because there are brake cables and the shifting cables, and after changing it I had to adjust it, and with the new cables it took a few days to get it on the status where it's worth to adjust, because then it goes to its position, and then I adjust it, and now I'm testing. Is it better or not really? As you can see, the cables are not yet cut. The reason is simple. I don't have a special tool, so maybe a Dremel tool, I will cut it.